Want to get fit at home, but confused about which treadmill will actually last and give you a great workout? After testing dozens of models, we've selected the 5 treadmills that truly deliver on performance, durability, and value. From compact folding designs to gym-quality machines with advanced features, we've found options for every space and fitness level. Each treadmill you'll see has unique features that could be exactly what you need. So I recommend watching the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Let's begin. Now, let's check out the Cursor Fitness Folding Treadmill. I've been testing this one for a few weeks, and I've got to say, the first thing that caught my attention was how quiet it runs. The brushless motor they've put in here keeps noise between 40 to 65 decibels. To put that in perspective, it's about as loud as a normal conversation. You can actually watch television while working out without cranking up the volume, which is pretty nice. Living in a small apartment myself, I really appreciate how they've thought about the space-saving aspect. It takes about 15 seconds to fold it up, and the detachable knobs and wheels on the bottom make it super easy to move around. I've been storing mine behind my couch when I'm not using it, and it works great. Something that really impressed me was the shock absorption system. You've got these 6 silicone shock absorbers and rubber pads that make a noticeable difference when you're running. I usually feel it in my knees after a long run, but this setup definitely helps reduce that impact. I do need to point out a couple of things though. There's no incline feature, which is kind of disappointing if you like to mix up your workouts. Also, the running surface is a bit smaller than what you might expect. I'm 5 feet 10 inches, and while it works fine for me, if you're taller or have a longer stride, you might feel a bit restricted. Price-wise, you're getting good value here, especially considering how well built it feels. The assembly wasn't a headache, took me about 30 minutes, and their customer service team actually responded quickly when I had a question about the setup. Bottom line, if you need something that won't wake up your roommates or family and fits in a smaller space, this is worth considering. You can find the current price and more details through the link below. Next up, let's dive into the UMay Folding Treadmill 3.0 horsepower. If you're planning to exercise at home, this model is definitely worth a look. What initially stood out to me was its quiet operation. Unlike those treadmills that roar like a jet engine, this one hums along at a mere 40 to 65 decibels. This means you can easily enjoy your favorite shows or get in an early morning workout without disturbing anyone else in the house. Another feature that I found particularly appealing is its compact design. Thanks to a smooth hydraulic folding system, it's easy to tuck away, and the integrated wheels make it a breeze to relocate. If you're short on space, like I am, you'll find this aspect especially beneficial. The treadmill also comes equipped with pulse sensors in the handles for heart rate monitoring, which is handy for keeping tabs on your workout intensity and staying within your target heart rate zones. However, I must point out that assembling this treadmill isn't the simplest task. The instructions could be clearer, so be prepared to spend a bit more time putting it together. Once assembled, the treadmill feels remarkably stable. Whether you're walking or sprinting, it remains steady. While it doesn't boast high-end features like preset workouts or advanced tracking systems found in pricier models, it performs its core functions well. The manual incline. Adjustments with 3 different positions add a nice touch of variety to your exercise routine. I should also highlight the customer service, which has received positive feedback. Many users have noted how responsive UMay Care is when issues arise. This might not be the first thing you consider when purchasing a treadmill, but it's reassuring to know support is readily available if needed. In summary, the UMay Folding Treadmill 3.0 horsepower is a dependable option if you're seeking a space-efficient, quiet treadmill for home use. It's an excellent choice for beginners or anyone looking for a straightforward machine for regular workouts. For the latest pricing and additional details, check out the link in the description below. Let's dive into the Pelton Treadmill, which features an impressive 24-inch high-definition touchscreen. Unlike typical treadmills that can quickly become monotonous, this one offers a variety of workouts beyond just running. You can engage in walking exercises, hiking, strength training, tread boot camp, and even yoga, making it feel like a comprehensive gym in a single piece of equipment. The touchscreen truly transforms the experience. During workouts, it feels as though you're participating in a live class, with the instructor right there to guide you. One of the first things you'll notice is how quietly it operates. If you've ever dealt with a treadmill that sounds like a jet engine, you'll appreciate the tranquility of this one. However, it's important to acknowledge that this treadmill comes with a hefty price tag. It's a significant investment, but after using it, the cost becomes understandable. The build quality is on par with high-end gym equipment, and the setup process is straightforward, with most users getting it ready in under 1 hour. Safety is another key feature. It includes a safety key that halts the machine if pulled out, and you can secure it with a passcode, which is crucial if you have children around. On the downside, to fully utilize its features, you'll need a Pelton All-Access membership, which can add up over time with monthly fees. Regarding its size, while it's not overly large for a treadmill, you'll still need a reasonable amount of space. If you're living in a smaller apartment, it's wise to measure your your available space beforehand. In conclusion, if you're serious about achieving your fitness goals and need something to keep you motivated, the Peloton treadmill is a solid choice. Although it's on the expensive side, the quality and features make it worth considering. For detailed pricing and specifications, check out the description below. Introducing the Cursor Fitness 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill, a standout choice for those seeking a quiet and convenient workout solution at home. The first thing that impressed me was its ultra-quiet brushless motor. If you've ever been bothered by a loud treadmill, you'll appreciate this one, which operates at a mere 40 to 65 decibels. This means you can comfortably watch television or participate in a Zoom meeting while getting your steps in. Setting up this treadmill is a breeze. Simply unfold it and plug it in. No need to wrestle with complex assembly instructions or search for missing screws. The included remote control is a nice touch, allowing you to adjust your speed or stop the treadmill without interrupting your workout. The 3 display screens provide essential information like time, speed, distance, and calories burned. The cushioning system is another highlight. With a triple shock absorption design and a 5-layer anti-slip belt, it offers a noticeably softer impact, which is a relief for those with sensitive knees. This feature sets it apart from cheaper models that can be harsh on your joints. However, it's important to mention some concerns about durability. Several users have reported mechanical issues after a few months of use, so it's something to consider. Additionally, the manual could be more user-friendly, especially for those who aren't tech-savvy. On the upside, this treadmill is incredibly compact, making it ideal for small spaces. It can easily slide under most desks or fit into a closet. If you encounter any problems, their customer support is responsive and helpful. I reached out with a few questions and received prompt replies. In summary, the Cursor Fitness 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill is a great option if you're looking for a quiet, space-saving treadmill at a reasonable price. Just be mindful of the potential durability issues before purchasing. For the latest pricing and more details, check out the link in the description below. Next, let's explore the WellFit Under-Desk Walking Treadmill. This treadmill stands out as a great choice for staying active while working from home. A major plus is that it arrives fully assembled, so you can start using it right away without the hassle of deciphering complex instructions or hunting for missing pieces. What sets this treadmill apart are its intelligent features. It syncs with the WellFit app, offering voice control and pre-programmed workouts. You can also connect it to KinoMap for guided sessions, which I've personally tried, and it definitely makes exercising more engaging and less monotonous. The motor is quite capable, boasting 2.5 horsepower, supporting up to 320 pounds, and reaching speeds of 7.6 miles per hour. It's also quiet, making it ideal for use during work calls. However, if you're training for a marathon, you might need a treadmill with higher speed capabilities. It's worth mentioning the running surface, which is somewhat narrow. For walking or light jogging, this might not be an issue, but if you tend to move side to side while running, it could feel a bit confining. On the upside, it folds easily, which is a boon for those with limited space. Safety features are well thought out. The running belt has 5 layers of anti-slip material, and the shock absorbers help protect your joints. There's also a safety key, which is essential for home exercise equipment. Considering the overall package and price, this treadmill offers good value. While it might not be the best fit for serious runners, it's a solid option for those looking to stay active while working or seeking a compact treadmill for home use. For the latest pricing and more details, check out the link in the description below.